everyone and welcome back to my channel, The Colossal Colleen. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. So, as you people know, my resolutions are on and I am trying to be here, like I'm trying to make videos and upload them. Of course, I wanted to upload my plus size lookbook but failed, but yes, I'll be shooting it this week and my plus size lookbook will be up on Monday. But yes, I am promising you guys that I will upload that because everybody is so much excited for the video and I've been delaying it for around 2 months now and I'm sorry for that. So for today I have an unboxing video which is my favorite. So this is Blush box which I received years ago. Like, it's been 3-4 days that I've received it and I've not unboxed it because I was not getting time to shoot for this. So I will be unboxing this with you guys. So this time Blush box came up with a letter to me. This is Party Night, January 2018. Thank you for subscribing to the Blush box. We are happy and excited. So this is something about some party or maybe their theme. Yeah, so this is all about their theme. So this is what I've received. And what is this? This is 30% off on Boxx, and whatever I've received, this is what this. And this is for my subscription. That's it. So this was it in the envelope, and let's start unboxing this cute pretty little box. Okay, so this is how it looks. They've also started wrapping it. I didn't know if they have wrapped it before or not, but yes, this time they have. And this time what they have is, oh my god, a scrub. So this is a salt scrub and this is coffee scrub. Humble Bee handcrafted luxury bathing essentials. It smells like coffee, though it smells good, but still all coffee. So this is the bathing salt. This is the bathing salt that they have. This is a makeup primer, as I can see. Oh shit, I would have just served it. So I did this nonsense to this thing. So this is a makeup primer. It says this is by Instagram. I don't think, okay, it's there. So what I've done is I've cut this dropper, so I need to get a new dropper for this. That's okay. So this is how it looks. This is a cute little bottle. I don't know, each and every brand, the subscription boxes have started giving facial oils, be it makeup primers, but these are something like oil. So this is Boxx's nail enamel, which is black in color. So yeah, I will be applying it soon. So this is it. Next is NELF USA powder matte lipstick. So I received an email telling me that which color I want, so I went with red again, and this is a red color for sure. This is maroon color. I don't know when will I grow up and get some good colors like brown or something, but I didn't receive one, so that is why. So this is how it looks like, and this is again maroon and red color. Let's see how it goes. So this is how it looks like. These are powder matte lipsticks of NELF's. I have so many reds. Do let me know if you want to see my lipstick collection. I would love to share my lipstick collection with you all, of course with a giveaway. So do let me know if you want to see my lipstick collection. So this was NELF, sorry. And the next is Monsub's Deep Brightening Whitening Beauty Facial Mask. I love facial masks. Like, I've been using facial masks regularly now, and I really love facial masks. So now let me tell you the pricing of each and every product. So the Humble Bee scrub retails for ₹5.99, and Instagram Glowing Goddess facial serum, so this one retails for ₹500. All right. Nelf powder matte lipstick retails for rupees 360, and Bella Voste's French formulated nail paint retails for rupees 249, and the facial mask retails for rupees 250. So the total pricing of the product is 1950 rupees plus, like more than that. And the box retails for rupees 400 only, like 399 only, which I have subscribed it for, I guess, 6 months. So this is for rupees 399. I really love subscription box because you tend to get things at a really cheap rate and in a very good condition. I really love subscription boxes, so I loved this one. Thank you so much, Blushbox, for sending such pretty products. I really love them. So yes, the direct link will be down below if you want to buy this box. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. So this was it for this video. I hope you did like this video, and if you did, please like, comment down below how are you all, and also go follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, because I'm a plus size blogger and I may help you somewhere or the other. Yes, and please help me out in sorting videos and what sort of video do you people want. I know I have to shoot a video on how I lost weight, which apparently I haven't, but still you people think that I have, so I will be sharing it, that how I've lost thoda sa weight, which I don't think I've lost at all. But yes, I'm trying not to lose weight, but just to get in a good condition. That's it. I'm working on myself, not to get thin or slim or something, but just to cure myself up, because I have been suffering from some of the other things. So yeah, I'm just coming up for that. So I will be sharing how I'm losing weight. I'm trying to not lose weight, but yeah, kind of thoda sa lose weight and get into a good condition. So yes, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.